Have you ever felt nervous at the doctor's?
Yeah, I have, especially when I have to explain how I'm feeling in English.
Right? It can be tough. But today we're going to practice some essential phrases to help you with doctor's appointments.
That sounds great. I could really use some help with that.
Well, let's start with booking an appointment. What do you say when you call the doctor's office?
I usually say I'd like to make an appointment, please.
Exactly. And then they might ask you what's wrong or what's going on.
Oh, yeah, and I always get stuck on that question.
Don't worry, it's easy. You can just say I've been having some issues with, and then describe how you're feeling.
Okay, got it. So, for example, I've been having some issues with my stomach.
That's right. And if they ask you how long have you been feeling this way, you can say for a few days or since yesterday.
Wow, that's really helpful to know.
Now, let's practice some phrases for describing how you're feeling. Can you tell me some common things people might say?
Well, there's I have a headache, I have a fever, or I have a sore throat.
Exactly. And you can also say, I'm feeling tired, or I'm feeling sick.
Okay, I think I'm getting the hang of it.
Great. And don't forget to ask questions if you don't understand something. You can say, can you explain that? Or what does that mean?
Right, that makes sense.
Now, let's review some of the key phrases we've learned today.
Like what?
Well, we've got, I'd like to make an appointment. Please, I've been having some issues with. And can you explain that?
Those are all really useful phrases.
So, practice these phrases every day and you'll feel more confident at the doctor's in no time.
Thanks for the help, Sam. Now it's your turn. Practice with us and don't forget to subscribe for more English lessons.
It's feeling